Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello guys, this is Idroid Question. In this video we are going to unbox this Bear Pro R5 Plus JBL speaker. So let's watch. So guys, let's have a look on a box. I think it has a larger battery, about 10,000 milliampere, 2 USB hubs. It can also record your voice, flash proof I think, and wireless Bluetooth connection. On the side, this is powerful sound, now transportable. Same thing on the back. Listen wirelessly, charge endlessly, might be can use as also a power bank. So guys, let's unbox it. This is the speaker, the main thing. First we'll see what content inside the box. This is the speaker, a charging cable, an aux cable. Here is a manual instruction inside the box. Let's open it. It is splash proof also, can be also used as a power bank. Good thing. Let's have a look on the speaker. This is the main speaker. Nice premium look it has. This is the memory card slot. This is the charging port and USB hub and aux cable connection. Let's turn on it. Ooh, heavy bass. Let's connect it with the Bluetooth connection. R5 Plus. Weird. Let's play a song. A very nice song. Guys, this is a very good speaker if you want it in a car. I have bought this only for $20 on Amazon. We have a link in the description. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more unboxing.